This is the iRobot Roomba Replenishment Kit for the 600 series. Ours didn't come with this. It's a found out it's a type of cleaner. I assume you run this puppy through here, and it will help grab some of the hairs and other debris that may catch on that. Ours came with what looks like a plastic envelope opener that you just run through here, and it helps cut some of like the long hairs, like my wife's hair, that'll get wrapped around the roll. The whole reason I bought this is primarily for the filters, but then I started looking at some of the other components and was seeing that, yeah, those bristles are getting pretty gnarly. And I imagine this rubber gets pretty brittle over time. Comes with a 2-pack of filters.